Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Divisors Matter is a game in which we are learning to divide fractions, and we are learning that the divisor matters if it's a whole number or if it's a fraction. So students will play this game, which looks just like the board game Sorry, in which they're going to have 2 pawns on each one of their colors. They're going to each choose a color and put 2 pawns on it. The object of the game is to get all the way around the board and to get your player to home. So students are going to do that by rolling 2 dice, and they get to decide if their divisor is going to be a fractional amount or if it's going to be the whole number. So they get to decide that on each round that they're playing. So for example, on this round, I am going to have the dividend be the whole number and the divisor be a fraction. So I've rolled a 2 and 1/6. Now when we're doing division, or when we're dealing with fractions also, 2 is always going to be over 1. It's always the fraction of 2 over 1. The whole number, whatever the whole number, it's always going to be over 1. So when we do a fractional division game or division problem, we're going to keep the first fraction as is. We're going to switch the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the other fraction. So now we multiply across and we have 12 over 1, or just 12 as a whole number. So the blue player will move their pawn forward 12 spaces. So now it's the next player's turn, and the next player rolls 1/4 and a 6. And let's say they decide on this point that they want their divisor to be the whole number and their dividend to be the fractional amount. So they would write this as 1/4 divided by 6. So students are going to keep the first fraction, switch from division to multiplication, and flip this from 6 over 1 to 1 over 6. And they're going to multiply across, and they're going to have 1 over 24. Now, because that came out as a fractional amount, the red player will go backwards that many spaces, and they land here. So players can go forwards or backwards depending on if they have a fraction, they move backwards. If they have a whole number, they move forwards. And they'll go back and forth, getting all the way around and into their home spot. Now, they don't have to get into their home spot evenly, because that's very difficult to do. They just need to get up to that square on any of the number that they rolled. And as soon as they have 2 of their pawns in the home, they've won the game. Now, students can be very strategic in this game, in which if you are going to roll the dice and you know you're going to get a smaller fractional amount, you can go backwards. So for example, I rolled 1/4 divided by 2, which becomes 1/4 times 1/2 equals 1/8. And I'm going to move back 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I get to slide down. Because I slid down, I knocked this player off, and now I'm closer to getting home. So just know there's strategic ways to play this game. So enjoy. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.